Harmony in diversity, exploring the beauty of prayer and meditation across religions. Welcome to a journey of spiritual exploration. Today we delve into the profound realms of prayer and meditation, fundamental practices that unite and distinguish various religions worldwide. As we celebrate the rich tapestry of human spirituality, we'll uncover the unique aspects of these practices and find the common threads that weave through them. Before we dive into today's content, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. Your support means the world to me, and I love creating content that you find valuable and entertaining. If you enjoy self-improvement, mental health and charisma talks, you're in the right place. We've got a lot more exciting stuff coming your way. So hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and let's dive into today's video. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's get started. Section 1. The essence of prayer. Prayer, a cornerstone in many religious traditions, is a dialogue with the divine. From the Islamic Salah to the Christian Lord's Prayer, followers express gratitude, seek guidance, and establish a connection with a higher power. We'll explore how prayer acts as a beacon of hope, a source of solace, and a means of fostering community bonds within religious congregations. Example: the Muslim call to prayer, the Adhan, echoes across cities, creating a collective rhythm that unites believers in their devotion to Allah. Section 2. The art of meditation. In contrast, meditation is a contemplative practice often associated with Eastern philosophies like Buddhism and Hinduism. It involves turning inward, quieting the mind, and achieving a state of deep reflection. We'll unravel the diverse techniques from mindfulness meditation to transcendental meditation, exploring how they cultivate inner peace and self-awareness. Example: Buddhist monks engaging in vipassana meditation, fostering mindfulness and detachment from worldly concerns. Section 3. Common threads. Despite the apparent differences, prayer and meditation share common goals. Both seek to connect individuals with the divine, offer moments of introspection, and cultivate virtues like compassion and humility. We'll explore the universal themes that transcend religious boundaries, emphasizing the shared human experience of seeking transcendence and purpose. Example: the concept of seeking inner peace is central to both Christian contemplative prayer and Buddhist mindfulness meditation. Section 4. Rituals and symbolism. Religions infuse prayer and meditation with rituals and symbolism, adding layers of meaning to these practices. Whether it's the use of prayer beads, incense, or specific postures, we'll uncover the cultural and symbolic nuances that enrich these spiritual acts. Example: Hindu meditation often involves the repetition of mantras, sacred sounds that hold deep spiritual significance. Section 5. Benefits for mind and body. Scientific studies increasingly highlight the positive impacts of prayer and meditation on mental and physical well-being. We'll explore the shared benefits from stress reduction to improved focus, shedding light on how these practices contribute to holistic health. Example: the mindfulness techniques in Buddhist meditation align with modern practices promoting mental well-being. Section 6. Rituals and cultural influences. Dive deeper into the cultural nuances that shape prayer and meditation practices. Explore how geographical locations, historical events, and cultural influences have intricately woven into these spiritual acts, adding layers of uniqueness and tradition. Example: the Jewish tradition of facing Jerusalem during prayer, symbolizing a connection to the holy city and the historical roots of the faith. Now, if you've been enjoying the content so far, give that like button a gentle tap. It's like giving me a virtual high five, and it really helps the channel. Section 7. Mystical dimensions. Unearth the mystical dimensions present in both prayer and meditation. Whether it's the Sufi practice of whirling or the Christian mystic tradition, discover how these practices transcend the material world, offering glimpses into the transcendent and the ineffable. Example: the Hindu concept of Kundalini meditation, exploring the spiritual energy residing at the base of the spine. Section 8. Incorporating mindfulness in prayer. Examine the growing trend of incorporating mindfulness techniques in traditional prayer practices. Witness how individuals across different faiths integrate mindfulness, breathing exercises, and meditative elements to deepen their spiritual experiences. Example: Christian contemplative prayer communities embracing mindfulness as a means of fostering a closer connection with God. Section 9. Modern interpretations. Explore how contemporary interpretations of prayer and meditation are evolving. From virtual prayer circles to secular mindfulness movements, witness the adaptation of these practices to meet the needs of a rapidly changing world. Example: online meditation sessions and apps that cater to a global audience, making meditation accessible to people of various faiths and belief systems. Section 10. Interfaith dialogue and unity. Highlight the potential for interfaith dialogue and unity through shared practices. Showcase instances where individuals from diverse religious backgrounds come together to engage in prayer and meditation, fostering understanding, tolerance, and a sense of global community. Example: interfaith gatherings that incorporate elements of both prayer and meditation, promoting harmony and mutual respect. Section 11. Eco-spirituality and connection to nature. Delve into how prayer and meditation in various religions foster a connection to nature and environmental consciousness. Explore rituals that celebrate the divine in natural elements, highlighting the importance of stewardship and ecological responsibility. Example: indigenous practices that incorporate prayers for the earth, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all living beings. Section 12. Social justice and activism. Examine the role of prayer and meditation in inspiring social justice movements and activism. From civil rights leaders to contemporary advocates, discover how these practices have fueled a commitment to equality, justice, and societal change. Example: the Buddhist concept of engaged Buddhism, where meditation is intertwined with social and political action for positive change. Section 13. Music and chants in spiritual practices. Uncover the use of music and chants as integral components of prayer and meditation. Explore the sonic expressions that accompany these practices, transcending language barriers and creating a harmonious atmosphere conducive to spiritual reflection. Example: the Sufi tradition of Qawwali, a form of devotional music expressing love and connection to the divine. If you enjoyed this insightful exploration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thought-provoking content on our channel. Section 14. Personal testimonials. Bring a personal touch by incorporating testimonials from individuals across different faiths. Share their experiences with prayer and meditation, highlighting the transformative impact on their lives and emphasizing the universal aspects of their spiritual journeys. Example: interviews with people discussing moments of profound connection or spiritual awakening through prayer or meditation. Section 15. Building bridges across faiths. Explore initiatives that actively bridge the gap between different religious communities through joint prayer and meditation events. Showcase instances where individuals come together to celebrate their shared humanity, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Example: multi-faith prayer services that bring people of diverse backgrounds together to pray for common goals such as peace and harmony. Conclusion: a tapestry of spiritual exploration. Wrap up the exploration by emphasizing the shared humanity in the pursuit of transcendence. Embrace the rich diversity of prayer and meditation practices, recognizing them as threads in the vast tapestry of human spirituality. Encourage viewers to engage in open conversations, fostering understanding and unity amid our differences. As we conclude, may this journey inspire a deeper appreciation for the myriad ways humanity seeks connection with the divine, reminding us that despite our varied paths, we are all united in our shared quest for spiritual fulfillment. Join us in this voyage of discovery as we bridge the gaps between religions, finding common ground in the pursuit of inner peace and divine connection. After all, in understanding each other's practices, we take a step closer to a world where diverse faiths coexist in harmony. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If you found this content intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating intersections of health and wellness. Until next time, take care of your mind, body, and soul.